Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Course Learn. Today I am going to tell you more about strings in Python. Before going to topic, please do subscribe for my channel so that you get notified for the next video. If you want to use text in Python, you have to use a string. A string is created by entering text between two single or double quotation marks. When the Python console displays a string, it generally uses single quotes. The delimiter used for a string does not affect how it behaves anyway. Some characters can't be directly included in a string. For example, double quotes can't be directly included in a double quote string. These would cause it to end prematurely. Characters like these double quotes must be escaped by placing a backslash before them. Double quotes only need to be escaped in double quote strings, and the same is true for single quote strings. Other common characters that must be escaped are new lines and backslashes. And another point is backslashes can also be used to escape tabs, arbitrary Unicode characters, and various other things that can't be reliably printed. These characters are known as escape characters. Python provides an easy way to avoid manually writing /n to escape new lines in a string. Create a string with 3 sets of quotes, and new lines that are created by pressing enter are automatically escaped for you. Let us see this. Now launch PyCharm and open the project we created in the previous video. For the new users, PyCharm installation is explained in the first video named Introduction of Python and Installation. So now create a new file for strings in Python. Go to File, then New, then File. Enter a file name here and click OK. Now select file type Python, then click OK. Let us do practice now. Give the statement print double quotes hi everyone, close the double quotes. Then you need to edit configurations by clicking Edit Configuration button on right corner. Now in script path, select the program file path. Then click OK. And now you can run the program by clicking the Run button here. And in output, you can see that where it shows hi everyone. As discussed, a string is created by entering text between two single or double quotation marks, and character like these double quotes must be escaped by placing a backslash before them. In order to do this, give the statement print double quotes backslash again double quotes. Now hi space everyone backslash double quotes and again double quotes. Here double quotes is escaped by backslash. Now run the program by clicking the Run button. Here you can see in the output which shows hi space everyone in double quotes, which means this is a string. Let us try one more example. Give the statement print double quotes John backslash apostrophe yes sister double quotes. Now run the program by clicking the Run button. You can see the output which shows John's sister. Okay, next we are going to learn about input and output in Python. To get input from the user in Python, you can use the intuitively named input function. The function prompts the user for input and returns whatever they enter as a string, with the contents automatically escaped. Usually, programs take input and process it to produce output. To produce output in Python, you can use the print function. This displays a textual representation of something to the screen. Now let's practice this. Go to the file strings in PyCharm. Give the statement input, double quotes, enter anything you want, colon. Now close the double quotes. Here input means input function. And now give the statement print 2 plus 2. Run the program. Let's give some text here. For example, hello, and press enter. This is how input function works in the Python. We got 4 in the output, which means print function is used to produce output in Python. Next, we are going to learn more about string operations. As with integers and floats, strings in Python can be added using a process called concatenation, which can be done on any two strings. When concatenating strings, it doesn't matter whether they have been created with single or double quotes. Even if your strings contain numbers, they are still added as strings rather than integers. Adding a string to a number produces an error, as even though they might look similar, they are two different entities. Strings can also be multiplied by integers. This produces a repeated version of the original string. The order of the string and the integer doesn't matter, but the string usually comes first. Strings can't be multiplied by other strings. Strings also can't be multiplied by floats, even if the floats are whole numbers. Let us do some string operations. Give the statement print double quotes hello, close the double quotes, plus double quotes world, close the double quotes. Here we are concatenating two strings. Now run the program, and in output you can see hello world. There is no separation between these two strings. So again, give the statement print double quotes hello, double quotes, plus double quotes. Let us give comma here and close the double quotes, then plus world in double quotes. Now run the program, and in output you can see hello, comma, world. There is a comma separation between two strings. Again, let's give the statement print hello in double quotes plus double quotes and give space in double quotes, just a space, then plus world in double quotes. Run the program, and in output you can see hello world. There is space separation between two strings. As discussed, even strings contain numbers. They are still added as strings rather than integer. So let's give the statement print 2 in double quotes plus again 2 in double quotes. Now run the program, and in output you can see that 2, 2. Here strings are added but not the integers. Please remember this point. And adding a string to a number produces an error. Let us see. Give the statement print 2 in double quotes, which means string, plus 2, which is an integer. Now run the program, and in output you can see an error here. That means can only concatenate string to string, not integer. We already learned that strings can also be multiplied by integers. So again, let's see that. Print hi in double quotes asterisk 4. Run the program, and in output you can see hi, 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 hi. 4 times of hi, which produced repeated version of string hi. As told, the order of the string and the integer doesn't matter, but the string usually comes first. Again, give this statement. Print 2 in string asterisk 4. Now run the program. Again you can see 2, 2, 2, 2, which is also produced repeated version of string 2, and string came first here. As discussed, strings can't be multiplied by other strings. So give this statement. Print 2 in strings multiplied by 2 in strings. Now run the program. In the output, got an error. That is, can't multiply sequence by non-integer of type string. Strings also can't be multiplied by floats, even if the floats are whole numbers. Give the statement. Print 2 in strings asterisk 2.0, which means float. Run the program. You can see in the output, got an error, can't multiply sequence by non-integer of type float. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.